Today we're going to create a new paperback trim size format in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Now, before we start, if you want something that's exactly like a specific Amazon template or other template, you need to look up all the page size and margin settings first, so you can change them in Scrivener. Then either open up your custom template in Compile or create a new one by selecting the standard format, right-clicking on it and selecting Duplicate and Edit. Name your format and then click onto Page Settings in the left-hand column. You'll see at the top Page Setup. If you click on that, you'll get a window up that has a pull-down list and states the size and orientation of the current format. If you click on Custom, in the list at the top there are some options that might fit your requirements, but they're all quite large sizes and may not be the exact dimensions of accepted book trims. Otherwise, click on the three dots and change the page size as required. Don't worry about the margins here so much. Instead, click OK and go to Margins beneath Page Setup. Here you can define the margins as you've copied them from Microsoft Word, giving inside and outside measurements rather than just left and right, which won't be correct for a paperback. And once you've saved, that's basically your new trim size created. Next time we'll be looking at headers and footers.